Hello to everybody. Happy Saturday sa buong mundo. Kumusta na kayo? Kung ano yung mga ginagawa ninyo, ingat-ingat lagi. Now I give to the breakfast of Sisi because na no school. Okay, the cocoa puffs. Okay, and I mix this milk. Not every day I give this to Sisi. I just maybe twice a week. If morning in the Friday and Saturday in the morning, because no school, so anytime if what you want inside here in the house, she can eat. Not like if she go to the school and then I give this one, no, because it's better that she take breakfast hard because how many hours to make a study inside there before they take snacks and the lunch. So I give her always every breakfast talaga hard food ba, what I mean. It's not slight food only. Okay, thank you again, thank you for watching, thank you to subscribe me. I have already more than 4,000. Thanks. Yung hindi pa nanonood, some of them that they're only watching, thank you very much, and some of them also they don't like, it's okay, thank you very much also. And I wish that if you can watch, if you can see my some videos in the YouTube, please watch, and if you like to subscribe me and to like, it's better. It's make me happy. Thank you again. Thank you more. And God bless us all. Okay? Bye.